Hey you guys, we're making some Scrapple. And if you don't know how to make Scrapple, or you always mess your Scrapple up, don't worry, this is a good way for me to show you really quick. I was cooking it for breakfast this morning, and I wanted to show you, what to look for to know when it's time to flip it, because a lot of people don't know when to flip your Scrapple. So do not flip your Scrapple until you start to see that the edges of your Scrapple start to turn brown. If your edges of the Scrapple does not turn brown, it's not ready to flip. Okay? You don't want to just start moving it all around and touching all on it and then flipping it and then flipping it back. You want to make sure that you flip it one time, and you're going to get this color every time. See how that looks good and brown? So this piece is thicker, and it's a good example to show you. And then this piece is smaller, but both of them are going to do the same thing. And then the other key to Scrapple is it's going to let you know when it's time to flip it. It's going to let you know. Scrapple talks to you. You don't have to talk to the Scrapple, y'all. Scrapple talks to you. So when it's ready to flip, it will let you know. Because then when you shake the pan, when you start to shake the pan like this, it starts to move on its own. Now these are already been flipped, but when these are ready, I can shake it and it will just move. Don't be scared to cook the Scrapple. This side is brown, so it may be done, but that's what you want. And this is one of those breakfasts where you just gotta be patient and don't have your heat up too high trying to rush the Scrapple along. Okay, so now that you're ready to flip it, don't use a spoon like I'm doing right now. Use a spatula, guys. But look at that. Look at that nice brown color. That's what you want. So take two. You see how this one is brown? Ooh, I was trying to show you. But you've seen that the edges was brown. And like I said, we get this color every time. Alright you guys, so I hope this answered all of your questions about how to flip the Scrapple, how to make the Scrapple without making a mess, and keeping your Scrapple pieces whole. So go ahead and subscribe to our channel, give it a big old thumbs up if you learned something, and then make sure you go to our Facebook fan page, which is Rolling with the Pham, because you'll find us there too when we're not filming. So see y'all later.